Hi guys, so we're just wandering down the road to my friend's restaurant today. We are going to be learning how to make mulled wine, Bailey's hot chocolate, and what else? Honey whiskey. Sorry, just got to watch where I'm going. The road can get a little bit rocky after rainy season. We've had a huge amount of rain lately, so just wandering down the road on a sunny morning. I'd take you with me. That's the lights, well, not the lights, it's not dark, but that's Nrutarama behind. It's very nice down here at night time. Very safe neighbourhood, and you see all of the glittering lights from the houses around. These are moringa trees, I think, if you're into your health drinks and things like that. I'm fairly sure this is moringa. So yeah, and banana trees just over here, banana fronds just behind me. So it's a very pleasant walk. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so looking forward to making some very alcoholic drinks first thing in the morning. Have to taste them, of course. See you over there. Actually, I think I got that wrong. I think this is the moringa. Is this moringa? Ichina moringa, thank you. Yeah, this is the moringa tree. And it's got sort of these very long fingers coming down from it. Let's see if I can get that. So yeah, that's what people put in their health drinks. I'm actually slightly allergic to it. I did try it once and I came out in this sort of red rash, so I can't take moringa myself, but I know a lot of people like it. Seth managed to find some lights for the Christmas tree. It looks really lovely. So here we are in the kitchen with everything we need for a balanced diet. We started out by making Bailey's and Amarula hot chocolate, but I was so busy concentrating I forgot to take a photo. Seth, what do you think of the luxury hot chocolate?
It's amazing. It's one of the best drinks.
It's pretty good. Have you eaten all the marshmallows and the cream?
No, sorry, I finished already.
We'll make some more. So let's crack on with mulled wine. It's 200 grams of sugar in the pot. Let me just video you as you do it. So, wait a minute. It's going to do it. Hold on a minute. Throw the sugar in the pan.
1, 2, 3.
That makes me very nervous. Oh, wait, hold on, we need my hand.
Pass the juice,
Yeah.
the orange juice.
Oh no, it's not. Yep. Beautifully done. And the peel.
Peel,
Yeah.
orange and lemon.
Yeah. Just
So
throw
one
it
by
in.
one.
Just throw it in.
Okay.
Artistically. The main thing about this is the spices. So I put down 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So yeah, pop that in. I've never put vanilla in it before, so I don't know if this works.
Just one.
Yeah. Yeah, vanilla extract's really powerful. Yeah, that'd be enough. So these are cloves. And you want to pick out 6 of them.
What's
Cloves. This is very, very Christmassy if you smell it. Yeah. For us, this smells like Christmas. Cloves and cinnamon. That's what we kind of associate with Christmas. Okay, so star aniseed. So it says we need 6 of these, but star aniseed is very, very potent. So I'm wondering if we do need 6.
6.
It says 6, but I think I'll go with 5. I might change it because they're very,
Strong.
yeah. 1 cinnamon stick.
I love this stick. Smells. And it's not one of my favorite. I love it. It smells good to me. Cinnamon stick.
This is exciting. Usually you buy the spices in a bag, so for me this is really exciting to actually make it proper. So this is the one I've never done before. This is nutmeg.
Oh, my nutmeg. Oh,
But I've always bought it as a powder. Yeah.
Okay.
I've always done it as a powder, so this time we're going to grate it, maybe on a little plate. Oh, it smells amazing, yeah. Have you smelled it? It smells wonderful. It's like really nice smell. So if we try grating it onto the plate, and can I have a go as well, because I've never grated nutmeg. Okay. You go first, see what it's like. Try on that one. Yeah.
Hey,
Is it possible? Oh yes. Oh gosh, it is difficult, isn't it? Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. If we can find a way to grind this, maybe try it in the blender.
But
and we
I
can
think
keep it.
by now we are just rushing. You need to do so many things. But if you get some time, we do it just.
Yeah. Give it some of the
Yeah.
So we need to add half a bottle of red wine. So half a bottle is about 375 milliliters. And that's the red wine. Oh god!
It's heavy.
Yeah.
We want another 125 milliliters. Hold on. Which is to about here. Keep going. Stop. Okay, so we've got that ready, because the minute that starts to bubble, we need to... See, the ingredients are the complicated bit, and then once it's all in here,
Yeah, in action is just.
yeah. So just leave that to heat up, and then once it starts to bubble again, we'll take it down to
Down the
simmer.
heat.
Because you don't want the alcohol boiling, because then the alcohol will all
Evaporate, yeah.
It's the spiced, Captain Morgan spiced rum. That's what we're going to put in here. Good morning, sir. Right, so the glasses, you serve the mulled wine in these. These are heat proof, but never ever pour boiling water into them. Don't put boiling water, otherwise it will shatter. And if it's been in the fridge or somewhere cold, let it come to room temperature first. Yeah, that would be perfect. Lovely. Okay, so what you also want to do is just to take one of the star aniseed and just put that in.
One of honest.
Yeah, just put it in for decoration. You just want a nice little slice of that.
Oh, okay.
Do that.
On top of it.
And pop that on. Okay, let's give it a go.
So they just drink it like that, hot or warm.
Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness.
Really?
Try it, go for it. Oh, that is good mulled wine.
I love how you enjoy it.
Oh, that's good mulled wine. Oh my goodness. Get in there. Oh, that's nice. It's like hot sangria.
Hot sangria.
Hot sangria.
Sweet taste.
That is really good. Have we got any customers at the moment? We've got 3 people in the garden who would like to try it, so let's do them little glasses. Yes! Yeah, go on, get those ones. Yeah. Let's do these ones. That's a really good idea. They're cute. Let's see what they think. I think it's ever so slightly sweet. All right, let's take it out there. So there's a guy on the right, a guy with a kid.
You love it? Even the guy said, "Oh wow, this is amazing." I said, "Okay, just to be on Christmas." You will enjoy it more.
Absolutely. That I was just saying to Seth, that is some of the best mulled wine I've ever had. Did you have some? Have you tried?
Yes,
You have.
yeah.
You have. Okay. Yeah, it's.
You want more?
No, yes.
No for him.
He's going to get drunk.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, look at you, joking.
This is sweet. It's a bit sweet. And
That's
it's
what I thought. It's
interesting.
very sweet. It's sweeter than usual, but often it's when you make it, it can be very bitter. And I like this one. I think this one is good.
It's a kind of sangria. But
Yeah,
hot.
yeah. It's the Christmas sangria. Because what I'd like to do is I'd like to start serving these from today all the way through into New Year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we're feeling okay about the hot chocolate.
Yeah. Hot
Okay.
chocolate is the best one.
Feeling
This
okay about
one,
the mulled wine.
amazing.
Hi guys, I totally got carried away and forgot to film an outro. It was so much fun. I was concentrating so hard that I didn't really film a lot of what we were doing, so I didn't get any really nice photos of the hot chocolate with all the cream and the marshmallows, or the mulled wine in its glass with its orange and stuff. Essentially, I'm really useless at YouTubing, but it was a really fun day. I think we all know what we're doing now with the drinks in the restaurant. So yeah, that was great. And we used a Jamie Oliver mulled wine recipe. So I'll link to that below. So in the UK, generally growing up, we'd just throw the red wine in a big sort of pan and add fruit and add spices. Usually you buy the spices in like a little tea bag from the shop. What the difference was with this recipe was that at the beginning they dissolved the sugar in a bit of red wine at the beginning to make kind of a sugar syrup before adding the rest of the wine, and it's come out a lot sweeter than I'm used to, but I have quite a sweet tooth, so I really enjoyed it. But anyway, if you're in Kigali, drop on by, give it a go and see what you think of it. Leave comments down below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you'd like to see something else on the menu or other drinks, let us know. Yeah, so all of that information below on how to find us. So yeah, happy Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Part 2.